sorry. I'm so sorry. I wish I could take it back. I wish we'd never gone.
I knew boat travel was needlessly dangerous, John, but I wasn't expecting you to reenact Titanic with you playing the part of the ship and her playing the part of the iceberg. Well, did you expect me to be happy to see you getting your long claw polished like that? I wish I knew how to quit you. All right, I'm prepared to give you one more chance. I will forgive you as long as there is no sex, boat or otherwise, in season 8.
Thank you, Danny.
Okay, John, first warning, that's not my name and you know that.
All right. Not Danny. How about my queen? I'd bend the knee, but
I knew everybody who told me I was just a crazy stalker was wrong.
they'll all come to see you for what you are.
Is it wrong of me to get so giggly over a man, and a fictional man at that? I mean, do I somehow undermine my innate feminist values by literally projecting myself into this fantasy situation?
You do.
Shit. How about I sing you a lullaby? Gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things we never...